Hello, my friends. From reckless drivers causing catastrophic accidents, to ignoring traffic signs, or chaotic collisions due to out of control, trucks are all in today's video. Join us as we explore real-life traffic accidents and learn the best ways to stay safe while driving. Buckle up and let's get started. Maybe he was trying to practice a sport. The landing was perfect.
Can I help you in any way, sir? British eyes inspected correctly. Any signs of both gravity?
British eyes inspected correctly. Any signs of both gravity?
This woman got her license today, and it looks like she needs to retake it completely. Don't lose focus when filling up gas. Many people forget to lock their cars, making it easy for thieves to break in. This dog is trying to fix his owner's car by biting it off. Always keep a cool head when collisions happen on the road. Who knows? You will keep yourself and your car safe. This is probably an example.
I have it on film. Wow.
An illegal race between two Ferrari supercars in the Italian countryside. Unfortunately, both cars flew up and crashed into the fence at the same time. Both drivers suffered minor injuries, but both cars were completely burned. Oh my God, she pulled off the perfect turn.
Твою же мать, а! Ловите скорость 12 тонн.
It is puzzling why this driver would attempt to drift in such a remote and narrow place. Always be careful when getting out of your car, especially in a crowded place, because you can lose the door at any time. When you can only afford the car and you don't have the tires.
这玩意儿省开。
According to reports, the driver of a Chrysler PT Cruiser stopped in the middle of the newly opened toll lane and began backing up. An oncoming dump truck swerved to avoid the PT Cruiser and crashed into the center barrier, exploding. Snowplows damaged at least 40 cars and injured 12 people as they dumped large amounts of snow across the highway and crashed into vehicles.
Holy fuck! Oh my god!
Oh my God, what a wild scene when the tractor lost control and went at high speed. The driver took 30 minutes just to get out of his parking spot. Observe and comment to let us know what the driver did wrong in this situation. Opportunistic police arrest 4 suspects after high-speed chase on Florida Pike, a clear warning to anyone considering committing a crime.